Hey y'all, happy February. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription boxes and product reviews. So if you like subscription boxes and all kinds of subscription boxes, you definitely want to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget to please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I do appreciate it. But as you can see, today we have the Munchie Mountain limited edition Valentine's box. So first, a huge thank you to Munchie Mountain for sending this over to me for review. I greatly appreciate that. Now, a little bit about it. It's going to be filled with 75 different snacks or treats for Valentine's Day, and they're Valentine's themed. So I think that is really fun. And I really think this year, with everything that has gone on, almost 12 months now, if your kids are in school, they're probably not going to be able to exchange Valentines. And in my case, my son's not even back in school. He is still completely virtual. So I think this is a really good way to not only treat yourself or someone that you love, but a fun way to still have like Valentine type goodies and things like that, and a variety for a child who isn't going to be able to experience the swapping of Valentine cards and, the suckers and treats and stuff. So I think that that's one thing to consider with this box. I did open their Halloween box and it was amazing. So I have no doubt this will be as well. But I've talked and chattered, so let's just get this open. I'm going to take it and cut it. And we're going to see exactly what all the goodies are in here. Alright, so when we open it, this is what we see. Some bubble wrap on top of the goodies and a card. I'm going to move that, and then there's our goodies. So we will go through it. I have no doubt that I will not be able to get anything back in this box the way it is packaged now. Let me look at the card. So it says, Happy Valentine's Day from Munchie Mountain. Thank you. And then it just goes over their social media and ways to tag them when you have, your box. So I do want to say that the limited edition Valentine box is $44.95. And the shipping is super fast. Like 2 to 3 days, if even that. Like, it gets to you super quick. So that's a great thing too. So you have time between now and Valentine's Day to order this box. So let's go ahead. We're going to start pulling stuff out. So the very first thing I see here. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this actually is not even candy. This says, Yo ho, you have my arteries. My hearteries Valentine. And it's like, so it's literally like a little Valentine, and you look through here. It's like a little telescope. Look at that. So, super cute. So, see, that's what I was talking about with kids. It's still going to give them the fun and all of that and stuff that we remember as kids doing, or even that our children remember from just, a year or two ago. So, then we have got some Keebler Fudge striped cookies. Some Knott's raspberry and strawberry cookies. What's this? This is a cheddar pop. This is cheddar popcorn. Yum. Okay. Oh, I like this. This is the veggie chips. But they're in the shape of little hearts. I've never seen those before. And then we've got some Utz X and O shaped pretzels. Some mini cheese balls from Utz. Another one of the pretzels. And I love how it's got like to and from. That's what I'm saying. I think it's just a fun way Got 2 bags of Cheez-Its, and I love that they're all like Valentine themed packaging. So this, again, like what I was saying, is this is a way to have such a good variety without having to like truly break the bank. You don't need to go buy the box of 24 of these just to have one. You know, you're getting it in the box. Same with obviously everything. All right, and then we got some Muddy Buddies with Cupid there. We've got a couple packs of M&M's, some Black Forest gummies. I'm running out of room right here. All right, and then we have got some Swedish Fish, Sour Patch Kids, Haribo Gummy Bears, 2 of those. We have got some Welch's Fruit Snacks. This is a Sour Patch Kids lollipop. Never seen one of those. This is Mother's X's and O's cookies. So little frosted cookies. We got some Trolley little mini sour crawlers. 2 of those. We've got 2 packs of Skittles. We have got, some raspberry and cream, 2 Kit Kats. That's interesting. I've never seen those before. We have got, this is some Warheads Pucker Packs, sour dippin'. Like, each pack has 2 flavors. We have some Sweet Tarts. We have some Oreos. And it looks like we've got some regular Kit Kats. We're getting into where some of the stuff is kind of mixed together. So I'm thinking there probably will be another one in there, but regular Kit Kat. We have 2 Fun Dip pouches. Oh, an Airhead on an actual little Valentine. We've got some little candy hearts. Some Starburst, 2 packs of those. A couple York peppermint patties. Reese cup. We've got some Sixlets. Fruit roll-up. A little Hershey bar with to and from. There's actually another one. There's 2 of those. We've got Twix, 2 of them. A little Rice Krispies treat. Some Snickers. Another Snickers. Some more Airheads. I think this is either going in, yep, stickers. Little box of 8 stickers. Sour Patch Kids Conversation Hearts. Another Rice Krispie treat. Some Smarties. We have 2 Reese's Hearts. This one I've never seen is actually pink. I've never seen that before. But we have 2 of those. We do have another regular Kit Kat. Some Twizzlers. And then we have got some little heart-shaped suckers. This is a tattoo pop. Not sure. Candy icing tattoo. Oh, on your tongue. Oh, and another Twix. And the final item, which, what would not Halloween, Valentine's Day be without the original Brock's Tiny Conversation Hearts? So, they have got us covered. I mean, head to toe, sweet, salty, sour, tangy. They literally have got such a good variety. They've even got the fruit snacks and the veggie chips, the popcorn. I think that this definitely is a great box, and it's got a great assortment of snacks and treats for Valentine's Day. And like I said, I love that everything is Valentine packaged. So this isn't something that's just been sitting there and they just slapped a Valentine label. No, this is a Valentine box. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put a link in the description box, so if you want to check out and maybe get your own or send as a gift to a special someone this Valentine limited edition box, you can do so. But I love hearing from you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.